Welcome to Aura Career Launcher, a coaching institute for HSLC and NEET Standard 11 and 12. We are introducing HSLC crash course for 6 weeks starting from 9th January 2021. We provide live interactive session with our well-experienced teachers, examination technique, past HSLC questions papers analysis, well-structured study materials exclusively for the upcoming HSLC exam 2021, also online test to help prepare for HSLC exam from the comfort of home.
Democracies cannot exist without political parties. As we discussed earlier, political party have a political party is a group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. They have certain plans, policies and programs for the betterment of the society, which they will implement after they win election and hold power in the government. So, see the plan, policies and program hai se kanana semi by the group of people who are in the political parties. Adudi political parties like the tardi election the contest toriba candidates sing na kaidawni. So country see the political parties leran rena kholo, but still election contest toriba candidate mayam amadi lerani natra independent candidate oina. So without political parties, candidates sing sigi marakta binding force ama leraroeba ka. So and ultimately there will be no accountability of the government and will not be responsible to the people. Sema iba sarkar do praja gi interest serve to wanga maroeba responsive oiba wala aniba ko if there were no political party. And sima su clear ore yengo political party yaudana government form tawudasu difficult oini have sima su clear ore ko. So without political parties, government may be formed adubu semi ba sarkar duna paikhatkadaba functions and thabak thoram sing do ningthina paikhatpa ngamni have simadi sure oidreba ngasai independent candidates singdugi marakta binding force ama watpana ko. And without political parties, villagers will not be united and it would be difficult for candidates to contest election. Ekhoina political parties ki function da nenagre. Political parties organize, educate and discipline the electorate. Masina medium ama oiraga villagers oiro common people oiro moi masengi marakta jungsan naraga issue mayam ama discuss tawraga karamba party na fai haina tanabagi opportunity ama pirineba. Adubu political parties like tardi sigumbo opportunity and political awareness who watlani ngasagi akhoi villagers or common people or moigi marakta, and it would be difficult for the candidate to contest elections. That is why we find political parties in almost all countries of the world, whether these countries they are big countries or small countries, whether they are old or new, developed or developing countries. So the rise of political parties is directly related to the emergence of representative governments. Representative government haidi kaino a system of government where citizens elect their representatives to represent them and make laws on their behalf. So yengo ekhoina khangi madudi large society need representation natra haibadi large society se moigi behalf ta kananoma le padarka taeba moibu represent tawnaba. So sigi representation se kanagi through the tawni political parties ki through the tawdoineba. So society se chaurabani na kadore composite or ani aduna sigumba society na kadore they will need some agency different views may amdo issue kaya gya adu do government ta present tawinaba ko. So these views can be expressed through political parties. Political parties fulfill this need. So these are the reasons why we need political parties. Then mathang amung si how many political parties are required. Country amada political parties kaya leiba darka tai habado yengasi ko. There are a number of political parties in each country because in a democracy, any group of citizens is free to form a political party. Democracy set palebak singdadi constitution na political party or any group of organization sernabagi hak to piyeba. So democracy set palebak ayambada political parties yamna leiniba ko. In India yengo more than 750 parties are registered with the Election Commission. So let's discuss the different types of party system. Hanbada single party system. Single party systems there will be only one party and the existence of other parties is not tolerated. Habadi atopa party ki existence to allow to they have a nebuko. So sigi system say democratic principle ga compatible oide. Haibadi democratic system that the single party system successfully work to wangamoiba khara wana thokaniba. Even then, it is found in some countries. So in China, only the Communist Party is allowed to function. Here in China, the electoral system in China does not permit free competition of power. Electoral system have the voting system duniko. So China there is no competition and contestation of power among political parties. Then next the bi-party system. Bi-party system hairagana main uiba parties anikhak lebaduniko. There are other parties too. Adubu kaidore. They do not have much significance. Moigi kana base kaya thoina leiteba. Kaigino the power se main parties anisigi.
For more details, scan the QR code. You can visit our website www.auracareerlauncher.com for registration. Download our app Aura EduPad or contact us to our WhatsApp number 6009 063 622 or 6009 039 770. Well, we have started our registration, so what are you waiting for? Join now.